Alright. Give it a bit, about 5 minutes, and then about 6 minutes, just like normal. We're going to we're going to why can't I speak right now? We're gonna start at like 10:05, just like we normally do. 嗯 Oops. Hmm. 4 minutes. Good morning, Axel. All right, 10:04, just about 10:05. Let's begin. All right. So, oops. So we're oops. We're doing area and perimeter of regular polygons today. Okay. So with regular polygons, there's a nice like easy equation to follow for any and all regular polygons, and I'm gonna insert a blank table real quick. Okay. Okay. So area area of regular polygon is it's the side times the apothem. Actually, I don't know how to spell apothem. Funny. Let me see how you spell that real quick. Apothem. Oh, I was right. Haha. Apothem. A apothem uh times the number. Oh, here. Let me clarify. So sides means okay, roll. Hold on. We can get to that during Zoom. Okay. Double check. Okay, yeah. We can go over that on Zoom. Okay. Right now I'm gonna go over this. So by sides, it means the side measurement. Measurement. Dang, I'm not spelling this right. Hold on. Measurement times the number of sides, and all divided by 2. Okay. So, um, so first, I just want you guys to identify what kind of shape this is. All right. So that's just counting the number of sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides is a oh shoot, I forgot what's a heptagon? It's a heptagon, I believe. Yeah, heptagon. Or 7 gon. Okay, I'll take either. Um, and let's start with the perimeter because perimeter is easier to find than area. So for the perimeter, you just have to add, you're basically taking one side and multiplying it by the number of sides. Since there are 7 sides, you're going to take 7 and then multiply it by s, or 2.4. Okay, oh, let me pull out the calculator. Okay, so we have 7 times 2.4, which is 16.8. So the perimeter is 16.8 yards. And then for the area, we're going to take, again, side measurements. So the measurement of the side, which is, oops, which is 2.4 times the apothem, okay, or A, which is this, 2.4918, times the number of sides, which is 7, and all this is divided by 2. So all this is going to be equal to calculator. So it's 2.4 times 2.4918 times 7 divided by 2. Oops, divided by, oh crap. Uh-oh. Go back to this. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so that gives you 20.93112, or we're just going to round it to 2 decimal places, or 20.93 yards squared. Okay. Um, and then number 2, we have, let's start by counting the sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 sides is a hexagon or a sixagon. Okay, and we're going to start with our perimeter because it's easiest. Oh, I forgot to write this here. 16.8. So here again, we're going to take the sides, which is the measurement of the side, which is 5.2, times the number of sides, which is 6, is equal to 5.2 times 6, 31.2. And then for your area, it's going to be again, so your S, okay, which is 5.2 times your A, which is 4.5033, times the number of sides, which is 6, all divided by 2, which gives you 5.2 times 4.5003, oops, 033 times 6 divided by 2. Okay, that gives you 70.25168. No, 148. Again, we're going to round it right here. So the 1 does not change it, so it's just 70.25 centimeters squared. Okay, on to number 3. Okay, number 3, again, we count the number of sides. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentagon or fivegon. Okay. Again, we'll start with the perimeter. Perimeter is nice and easy. It's just add all the sides. Okay, so there are 5 sides. You multiply that by S, 6.7, which is equal, oops, which is equal to 5 times 6.7, which is 33.5. All right, so the perimeter is 33.5 centimeters. And then area, take 6.7 times 4.6109 times sides divided by 2, which gives you 6.7 times 4.6109 times 5 divided by 2, 77.232. I'm just going to go 3 decimal places so we can round it. All right, and so we just use these 2 because this doesn't change it. All right, and we have 77.232 centimeters squared. All right, and number 4, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides, so a decagon or tengon. All right, again, we're going to start with perimeter because it's easier. There's 10 sides times the length of the side, which is 2.6, which is equal to 26 because just move one decimal because it's times 2. And the perimeter is 26 feet. Okay, and then we take the area, which is going to be 2.6 times 4.001 times 10 sides divided by 2, which is equal to, let's see, 2.6 times 4.001 times 10 divided by 2. So 52.013. You only use these two. So you have 52.01 feet squared. All right. Number 5. Again, let's count the sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's a hexagon. Uh-oh, I only have 5% left on the battery. No, I have 5% battery left on my Apple Pen. Uh-oh, I'm gonna lose battery quickly. No! Alright, well, let's see how long it'll last. Perimeter. We got 6 sides times number of times the length, which is 7.2. 6 times 7.2. I knew I should have charged it. 43.2. So the perimeter is 43.2 feet. And then I have area, which is 7.2 times 6.2354 times 6 sides divided by 2, which will give us 7.2 times 6.2354 times 6 divided by 2. We have 134.684. Okay, this doesn't change because it's a 4. 134 point, wait, yeah, 68 feet squared. All right, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, so an octagon or 8gon. And then we have our perimeter, which is 8 sides times S, which is 6.6. So 8 times 6.6, which is 52.8. All right, and then 52.8 inches. And then for our area, we're going to again multiply 6.6 times 7.6, oops, 7.96. 669 times 8 sides divided by 2, which gives us 6.6 times 7.9669 times 8 divided by 2, so 210.326. And since this is bigger than 5, we will increase this to a 3. So 210.33 inches squared. All right, let's move on to number 7. I'm trying to get this because my pen is going to die soon. I'm trying to get through this pretty quickly. And then I'll do as much explaining as I can later. So I didn't even count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. So nonagon. 9 gone. Okay. We have Perimeter, 9 sides times S, which is 3.4. 9 times 3.4, 30.6. 30.6 inches. And then we have area, which is, oops, my gosh, I'm making a big mess. So 3.4 times 4.6707 times 9, the number of sides, which is, oops, divided by 2, which is equal to 3.4 times 4.6707 times 9 divided by 2. 71.461, 71.461. Since it's a 1, does not change. So it's just 71.46 inches squared. Okay. Number 8, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another 7 sides. So heptagon, 7 gone. Okay. We have perimeter, 7 sides times S, 2.5. All right, 7 times 2.5, 17.5. Oops. 17.5 inches. Nope, millimeters. Okay, and then we have area, which is 2.5 times 2.5957 times 7 sides divided by 2, which gives you 2.5 times 2.5957 times 7 divided by 2, which gives you 22.7132. Since it's less, it does not change. 22.71 millimeters squared. All right, and then our last questions, number 9 and number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another decagon. 10's gone. All right, and then we have our perimeter, which is 10 times 3.2, which is the number, our S. 32. Okay, and then we have area, which is 3.2 times 4.9243 times 10 divided by 2, which is 3.2 times 4.9243 times 10. Oops. Oh, no. Undo. Cancel. 3.2 times 49243 times 10. What? Oh my gosh. This is messing me up. Okay, 3.2 times 4.9243 times 10. There we go. Divided by 2. All right. 78.788. 78.7888. So this is bigger than 9, so this becomes 78.79 millimeters squared. All right, and then our last question, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so a pentagon. 5 gone. All right. We have our perimeter, which is 5 times S, or 7.7. 5 times 7. Oops. 5 times 7.7. 38.5. Um, and then we have our area, which is 7.7 times 5.2991 times 5 sides. Oh, whoops, I forgot to write that down. 38.5 centimeters. All divided by 2, which is equal to 7.7 times 5.2991 times 5 divided by 2, which is 102.102.007. Since this is bigger than 5, we're going to make it 102.01 centimeters squared. And there we have it. All right. Today was extremely short. It was only because I rushed through it to hopefully my pen didn't die. But this is what we're doing for area and perimeter of regular polygons. Okay. Remember, identify what the polygon is by counting the number of sides. And then we have the perimeter, which is the easiest to find. You take the length of the side times the number of sides. And then you have your area, which is the number of sides times, or sorry, the length of the side times your apothem times the number of sides, and then divide by 2. Okay? And then always make sure to round 2 decimal places. All right? Remember, if it's, let's see if I can just add a couple more notes up here. And no, I won't because it's going to mess everything up. Okay? So, that's everything. Raul, what is your question? I'll take a look at it now. You said you've been putting answers right in Schoology, and you've been getting them wrong. What do you mean? If you're getting them wrong, that means they're wrong, Raul. If you take a look, all right, if you're still there, I'm looking at your answers and you're getting them wrong. Okay, I see what you put in and I know what the answer is, and that is you're doing them wrong. It's something is wrong. Okay, double check what it is, and you're like missing a step in a couple of them. Remember, like some of the stuff where you're adding. What about the exit ticket? Oh, the exit ticket, right? So, um, the exit ticket today. I'm quoting Avengers or Guardians of the Galaxy. Today's quote is, "I am Groot." So the answer to today's exit ticket is, "I am Groot." All right, there. That's today's exit ticket. Today's exit ticket is, "I am Groot." All right. All right. Well, that's all for today. Today was a lot shorter lesson. Um, but it was still like a good lesson. I think tomorrow, I'm just gonna go. I think tomorrow would just be a nice like easy quiz where it goes over all of these, everything we did this week. All right, and then Friday is gonna be your makeup day. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna have you guys do. mm, I don't know yet. I haven't decided. I think I'll make a quiz, or maybe I'll just make you guys do something fun on what's it called? What quiz are you speaking of? Oh no, did I not make it available to oh crap. Did I make a mistake? And I forgot to make it enabled. Yep, I did. That great. I gotta do this for all of them. All right, I have to go through every single class and fix the quizzes because I forgot to enable them. Ha ha ha. How fun. Question, yes, yes, yes. Save change. All right. Yes, I'm fixing them now. I have to go through all the classes that I have. So, I forgot to do that. Good morning, Sultan. All right. Okay, 1 second. Now, no, this is regular polygons. I know it just says polygons on the quiz, but we are talking about regular polygons. All right, I am currently enabled it. I'm almost done. I have 2 classes left to enable. All right, one more class. Come on. All right, that is all of them. All the quizzes are live. All right. Any more questions before I get off? In case I've forgotten anything. Anything else that you guys have to remind? Again, I think tomorrow I'm just gonna make a nice quiz. Tomorrow there probably won't be a live stream. Tomorrow will probably just be a Zoom in the morning. So if you guys have questions in the morning, and then I'll still Zoom in the afternoon, same time. Um, but that's pretty much it for this week. All right. And yeah. If that's it, I'm just gonna stop the stream here. Quick 20-minute lesson. Today wasn't that hard. Next week we're gonna go. What are we going over next week? I think we're doing composite. more composite shapes. Okay, so with that, I'm signing off. I will see you guys at 1 o'clock on Zoom. Okay, and yes. All right. It still doesn't accept submissions. What class are you in? I don't know who the best is. It'd be easier if you guys come in with your Gmails. That way I know who everybody is. I don't have to keep asking. All right. I know there's a delay, but I've enabled it for all the classes, so every class should be able to do it now. Unless I missed a class. Let me see if I missed a class. Double checking. Oh, Caesar, your fifth period. Let me see. Did I do fifth period? Oh, I missed fifth period. Thank you. Okay, fifth period has been enabled. You're good. All right, I'm going to sign off here. Make sure you guys complete all your assignments for today and send a picture of it on Resume. I mean, not Resume, Remind, so that you get your daily check-ins or your weekly check-ins. Okay, I am keeping tabs of how many people are checking in with me. All right, and it is a grade. So, yeah, make sure you guys are actively doing that. All right. All right, I'm going to sign off. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Zoom, unless I decide to make another lesson on. No, I think I'll just we probably won't live stream tomorrow. Most likely will be a Zoom in the morning, and Zoom in the afternoon as well. I'll be back on Zoom at 1 o'clock. Okay, see you guys. Be there or be square.